Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday.
What are you doing? It's Mailbag Monday.
It is?
I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D. It's Mailbag Monday.
You've got mail.
Alright everybody, so thanks for being here, and if you're new around here or you haven't yet done it, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and a thumbs up is always appreciated as well. So this week it's two packages, one from our favorite Amazon Fulfillment Center. Actually, I don't know what Amazon Fulfillment Center it came from, but and another one from our friend of the channel, Paul Cumber.
Paul.
And it's always fun to see what Paul sent, so I'd like to open that one second.
Best for last.
So, well, you don't know what's in this one. It could be like a gold bullion.
Wait, what's that?
Of course, even then it wouldn't be still as good as the stuff that Paul sends us. You know, like a big block of gold.
That would be nice.
Alright.
Got notes.
Alright, I like notes, because notes usually tell us who it's from. These notes don't tell me who it's from.
Hi Glenn, go FK1. Enjoy from Scott McClellen.
Scott, brother, you're killing me. You're killing me, brother.
And we got Bontek.
That would be more wire. That would be...
Smells like Amazon.
This is, I had to throw more wire in there. I needed colors. I needed more colors. So that is a lovely...
Interesting. It's mini filament.
It does look like mini spools of filament. So we got red, black, a yellow, and that's a nice yellow wire. It's not really doo-doo brown.
You said doo-doo.
it's I don't know, and then some gray. So, but Scott, brother, thank you so much.
I mean, good.
You for the most part have sponsored the entire wiring harness. I think all except for one, maybe two rolls of the wire. So thank you so much. It's really, really greatly appreciated. And again, you know, if there's something I can promote for you, a YouTube channel, a Twitter, whatever, let me know. I'll put it down in the description.
Tweet. Tweet.
Otherwise, I repay you by giving you my deepest thank you. So. I don't know. I'm gonna have to make like a Scott McClellen thing. You know, when I put the sponsors on the FK1, I'm gonna have to have a Scott McClellen.
Yeah.
All right. So let's
open this one.
Let's open the one from Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul.
You have a bag of filament. That's a lot of filament.
That is tan PLA. Pop down here for just a second so you guys can see that. That is some tan colored PLA. It says to Glenn from Paul. Oh, Paul. What have you done, brother?
What? What was that for? What is that for?
I don't know. I haven't read the letter yet.
Very interesting. Look.
Oh yeah, he's been doing wood burning. I have his other one. Oh, I moved it over to the desk. I have his other wood burning one over there too. Hulk didn't make it.
Oh,
we're gonna have to put a little glue on Hulk.
Oh.
Hulk found the Hulk Buster.
He was in a biking accident. Don't text and drive.
Did you say a biking or a Viking?
Bike.
Oh.
Don't text and drive. Oh, this is pretty cool too.
I like Paul numbers these so I know which way to read them in. I still might have to put my glasses on though. So we can pop over here. You can show all the stuff here.
Hails you.
That's really pretty. I like that design.
This is the one that got in a biking.
It says, "Hello, Glenn and Xander."
That's us.
How are you doing? I'm doing just fine as well. Here are some awesome stuff I printed with my 3D printer I just fixed last week. Yeah, I was having an extruder issue. The bunny Did you show that well? I love that color.
Yes.
All right, you have to dig out the bunny because the bunny's the first thing that we talk about. The bunny is PLA gray solid. Extruding. Oh, the extruding, this thing, is solid green. There's a thing in there with a certain name who is very, very crazy about copyright infringement. I don't even know if I want to say this name on the channel. This is a logo of
you shouldn't even
of an HD motorcycle type, and they are crazy about copyright infringement.
Honestly, I don't even think we should show it.
No, it's fine. I'm just not going to say the name of it out loud. That is solid black. The cross is solid gray. The Fun King 3D coaster.
Oh my god, it's a coaster. It's a coaster.
Is solid black. The Creeper Hulk is army green. I like that. I never knew there was an olive drab filament until I seen his.
It was something that happened in the military.
He sent your robot in that same olive drab green. Oh, he was in the army. That's why he got his busted kneecaps.
Yeah.
But that's all right. I got some good super glue. We'll take care of that.
Don't text and drive.
And then the Fun King 3D Woodburn. Oh, that's upside down. Let's try that again.
Why would you do that upside down?
Woodburn, because I wasn't looking at it. I send you some of my solid tan too. Okay, so here, I'm sending you $8 as well for the grub screws. I told you didn't have to do that, brother. That was a gift to you. That was something that I could do nice for you. For the grub screws, I thank you so much as well. May God bless you. It's so cool to have you as my friend as well. And I feel the same way, Paul. It's absolutely cool to have you as a friend. Take care from your friend, Paul Cumber. And then there's a P.S. If you like, take the $8 for the channel or put the money for the FK1 3D printer. Take care. God bless you and your family. Well, you know what I'm going to do, Paul, is here, and I don't have one of those cool boxes like Joel Telling uses, but here at Fun King 3D, we like to support...
My hand is the big bucket.
Wow. We like to support St. Jude's Children's Hospital. That is my charity of choice. So I hope that it's okay with you, but I'm going to take that $8 and I'm going to make sure that that $8 gets over to St. Jude's. And because I think that's where it should go. Please be careful with that. I'm going to fix it, but I don't want you to break them clean off of there, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So thank you, Paul. Thank you so much for that. And but that was really not necessary. And but thank you extremely for all this. I love this. This is too funny, and I think that a great place for this is going to be right up here along this line with some of the stickers and things.
I think this should go to Mom.
That's very cool. Yeah, we could definitely pass that along. It can either be hung or I don't know. We'll figure that out. So the rabbit, did you show all these on the close-up? So the rabbit.
Narwhal.
The narwhal boat.
Narwhal
Zach will be
boat.
super excited to have yet another narwhal boat because he does enjoy taking these in the bathtub. And we will fix the Hulk's legs. And then, this motorcycle one, those guys are just like, they're worse than Disney. They're worse than Disney as far as copy protection. So, and I thank you for the filament sample. We'll give that a run and see what we can do with that. Whew, that's a lot of stuff, Paul. You must have gotten that extruder fixed and just immediately started printing stuff like crazy. Well, that's pretty good. Well, not only that, but I mean, look at the detail in that. Yeah. It's actually got the year of 2015 printed in the end, and it's nice and clean. So, you're looking for others? Mm-hmm. I think it's just the way it was modeled. So thank you, Paul, and thank you, Scott. Thank you guys so much. All right, everybody, just real quick before we get to the end of this video. We filmed all of that, and then we got another box in, so we just wanted to cut in and do, and we don't normally do this, but I didn't want to wait a whole another week to open this box. So this could be the glitter bomb.
No, it's the bubble wrap bomb.
It's really good. It's really good packaging. Oh, I'm excited already.
At first I thought those were your fingers, and I'm like...
No, I'm really excited already just from what I can see. All right, set that to the side. Set that to the side. Get that thing out.
I need one of these big enough for my head.
Oh my God, it's the first one ever. That is awesome. I have never even made a 3-dimensional Fun King 3D head. That is amazing. That is so amazing. Dude, I am blown away. That is so super cool. And you did a great job on the mouth and tongue. This might be a stand. I'm kind of cheating. I can see through the bubble wrap, but...
Oh, yeah, it's a double.
All right, well, open it up. Open it up. Dear Xander and Glenn.
That's us.
And then he said tee-hee, and I think that's because he didn't say Glenn and Xander. I know this isn't the proper yellow, but it's the only yellow I had on hand. I know this model isn't accurate, but I'm using Tinkercad until I learn Blender and Fusion 360 well.
If this is Tinkercad,
hope you guys like it. Oh, it's Robby MaQ. I never knew what Robbie's last name was. Dude, you are just the bomb.
That's Tinkercad.
This is just unbelievable.
This is Tinkercad?
Yeah, he did it in Tinkercad. I mean, the mouth and the tongue is so amazing.
I need one big enough for my head so that I can.
There's not enough filament in the world for that.
I don't care.
Because you have a huge head.
I know. You don't need to explain it, Baldy.
You have a huge cranium. Robby MaQ, that is so awesome. Dude, I'm so glad that we opened this today and didn't wait a whole nother week. God, I'm blown away. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the bubble wrap.
This is so cool. And you know, it's like I want to put this on my desk, but this has to go up on the shelf. This has to be on display.
So much bubble wrap.
I'm gonna move my derby car. And it's gonna go right here next to Paul Cumber's cat. Dude, I can't believe you did that in Tinkercad. That is awesome. Thank you so much.
Bubble wrap.
All right, so now back to the regular scheduled outro. We love when you send us stuff. It's fun to open up surprise packages and see what they are. And if you guys would like to send us anything, love notes, hate notes, whatever, the address is down in the description below. We love you guys for sending it because we love having Mailbag Mondays. And if you like what we're doing...
We need content.
If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. And as always, the thumbs up is greatly appreciated.
Spam it.
Zach,
Spam it.
like, Zach?
Spam it.
And as always, until next time, print on.